I wanted to show a little demonstration how to use the meta 01 and the fingers for your characters. I was a bit confused originally, so maybe that could help people to understand this component. So to go about it, we're going to create an arm. We don't really need that, but that's going to be useful for demonstration purposes. So I'm just going to select onto a JNT. Cool. Move it up a bit. Need the outliner. So we have the end effector here. And now we're going to use the meta. So you first asked how many metas you want. So you need to add +1 to the number here. So for regular hand, so it's going to be 3 plus 1. So I'll leave 3. Direction is going to be -y because we want the metas to be pointing down. Spacing, yeah, 0.5 could be fine in my scene. 0.5. Cool. So now, so this is the meta, the parent. I'm going to move it up a bit. So this is where the metas are going to start. The metacarpals are going to start. And you know what? I'm going to space this a bit differently. Okay, I'm going to put them roughly here. So this is going to be your wrist. That's going to be the section of the hands that doesn't move. And here it's going to be your metacarpal. Right, so we have like 4 fingers. That's going to be for index fingers, and then the rest and the pinky at the bottom. So I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to use a chain. Chain 01. Okay, double click on that. So how many do I need? How many fingers? How many digits do I need? So I need 4 of them, because that's including the metacarpal. And the spacing, I'll leave it at 1. It's going to be a bit more obvious like this. Okay, that's my first finger, index finger. Now I'm going to do the second one, same story. Chain 1. Oops. Come on, draw components. So I need 4 of them, direction X. I guess I screwed up. So I screwed up because I have 2 overlapping. So chains. Chains is 0. Okay, let's just delete that one. And so instead I'm going to select the second metacarpal, chain 01. I need 4 of them. Okay, same thing, chain 01, 4 in X, and then another one, 4. Okay, now so we need the thumb. So normally separate the thumb. So I guess I'm gonna start my FK chain from here, and I can just like shuffle things around later. So I need how many digits do I need? 1, 2, 3 digits. Okay, so this guy is my thumb. I keep it here outside of the chain because I'm going to do a little demonstration first. Okay, so this is how you set it up, and then we're going to build that. Actually, I should have started from the arm. Just delete that and let's build again. Right. I can hide the guides. Cool. Okay, so that's my arm. This is my arm. It's my hand basically. Okay, now, so yeah, those are the fingers. As you can see, the thumb is following the same direction, so we're gonna have to reorient that. And the metacarp or the control, the global one, it's called Meta C0 CTR. What it allows you to do is to have like a nice rippling effect on the fingers. So yeah, the animators really like that for posing. I mean, really like, they like that. Sometimes it makes things simpler. You see? So this way, if you don't select, if you don't add the thumb to the meta, it stays separated, and I think it's the best way. And also, all the fingers are fanning in direction, and the index finger doesn't move. So they're spreading from the index, and the index stands still. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so that's the demo, and now I can just delete that, and I'm going to show you how you actually customize the orientations. So which one is it? Meta. I need a chain. So it's that chain. So I'm going to do a bit of rotation here. Which one is this? No, I need a chain. So usually there can be a bit of rotation on the fingers. Depends if your model is straight or there's some bending in the fingers. Okay, let's pretend you had like a wonky modeling. Gonna rotate this guy as well. And now one thing which is quite important to do is to neutralize. Oh yeah, I'll do the thumb as well. So, okay, so the thumb is rotating this way. But I don't want that. I want it to rotate. More like this. Nope, the opposite. I'm gonna try it anyway. One thing which is quite important is to go to the chain. Oh, did I screw up? Settings. Oh yeah, sorry. It was here. Okay, settings, and you see on the second tab, I click on neutral. Same thing for the next one. Settings, set to neutral. Settings, set to neutral. Settings, neutral. And the last one, just for demo purposes, I'm not going to touch it. I won't neutralize it. So this way you can see what's going to happen. Okay, time to be on that. So now, you see this is like totally neutralized, zero value here, zero value here. So everything's fine. What about the thumb? Zero value, zero value. And here you have some values. That's because we didn't initialize it. Let's test. So this is still working perfectly. And now if I select all the metacarpal, and I think this is this correct? I think so. Yeah, this is kind of correct. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a slight tweak. In reality, yeah, the thumb will be more like that. And maybe with a bit of rotation on the model. And like I said here, I need to neutralize that. Neutral pose. Cool. Let's build it again. One more time. Hide the guide. Select all those guys. Do your rotation in Y. Cool. They are going in the same direction, so that's good. Good job. Do we have any values? No, we don't. We don't. And this guy that we just did, no value in the channel box. Test this guy one more time. This is correct. Cool. There you go. So yeah, that's what you're supposed to expect from the Meta 01 components and with the chain. And that's the way I'm building my hands. Thank you.